Greetings, everyone, and welcome to my Irresistible Chic channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I will be participating in a collaboration hosted by the creative Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle and co-hosted by the fabulous Ggfaison. Today's collaboration is titled The Color Pink, Pink Table Decor. There will be so many phenomenal creators in this collaboration. So sit back, relax, enjoy the videos. Go over and check out all of the videos in this fabulous Color Pink collaboration. All information and links to the co-host and the host channel will be located in my description box below. Today, I chose a pale, soft pink, and my accent colors are silver and white with a little bling. Many of my pieces are from estate sales and resales. Also, quite a bit of the articles were purchased from the Dollar Tree. But my beautiful dishes, they are part of my Fenton Silvercrest collection. The dishes are mid-century and they are about approximately 50 to 60 years old. The beautiful glasses were purchased from Home Goods. If you need any further information about anything regarding this tablescape, please leave me a comment. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you so much for tuning in. I so hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd like to thank the host, Marilyn of Marilyn Cozy Lifestyles, and the fabulous co-host, Ggfaison. So go over and check out their channels and check out the videos from all the phenomenal creators who participated in this collaboration. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is Irresistible Chic, and I appreciate you viewing this video today. Thank you.